Hey y'all, my name's Erica. Y'all can follow me on Instagram at ericakane.com. This is my first wig install. First wig, I never had a closure, never had a wig at all. So this will be my first time, and it's gonna be a curly wig.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with a brand new hair sponsor today. Thank you so much, Mslynn. They sent me this 24-inch deep wave lace front wig. All right, modeling today, we have my girl Erica in the building. She is a brand new model to the channel, and let me tell y'all, she has never ever worn a wig, a lace closure, a lace frontal, none of that in her life. So yes, y'all, she is taking a chance with your girl Breezy. So I'm not gonna lie, I had a lace closure wig planned out for her, but when she got here, I looked in the box and I was like, damn it, I didn't realize it was a frontal. So I was a little bit nervous because her hairline is a little bit low and I didn't want to cover up her entire face with the wig. But I'm trying my best to keep the stocking cap back and to keep the wig back so it can look as natural as possible. So one thing that I know is going to make today go smooth is this lace is actually transparent. So you know when they say quote unquote transparent, that means the lace is actually just really light. So I knew it was going to be perfect for her. I knew it was going to blend in with her complexion. And sometimes I do get wigs that are light brown or tan or even dark brown sometimes. So I be having to be strategic with my wigs. And you know, when you have a lighter lace, you can always tint it with makeup or a spray to make it darker. But if you have a dark lace, it's not getting no lighter. All right, so for all of my new subscribers, if you don't already know, everyone who's already been here, go ahead and tell them. The only glue that I use on this channel is liquid lace glue, all right? So if you want your own bottle, head to galaxygirlhair.com right now. All right, so what you see me doing right now is taking my tweezers and just spreading out the glue. So what I'm trying not to do is put the glue too far down because y'all can already see the glue it's not close to her eyebrows, but if I go too close, then I can mess up kind of easy. So I'm definitely making sure I'm monitoring where this glue is. So after I do my second coat, which I do off camera, which y'all did not see, I dried it with the dryer, and now once it's clear and a little bit tacky, I'm gonna stick on the wig. And listen, let me tell y'all, okay, I is excited because this hairline is looking fleeky, okay, it's looking plucked, and I know it's gonna look good on her. Now the only problem is the wig is a little bit small, okay? I know it's not her braids because her braids are flat, so I kind of had to force it on there, but it's okay. I think everything should be all good. I'm excited. All right, now I already know what y'all are thinking. Okay, so you don't have to say it. Why that girl got that lace on there? But I'm not cutting it off yet because I'm trying a new technique. I'm doing a lace technique that I learned from Slayed by Jordan. And I know if y'all know about my channel, most likely y'all know about his, okay? So I watched one of his lace install videos and he actually does not cut the excess lace off until afterwards. So yeah, everything you see me doing now is what I learned from his install videos, which I'm very excited about because why not try new stuff? So y'all already know that before I even wrap my models up with the black wrap and sit them under the dryer, I normally mold the baby hair first, but this time I'm doing it after. So the difference is that the baby hair should be easier to mold because it's already kind of, going in the direction I'm gonna style them. All right, so now I'm using the hot comb on the baby hair before I apply the setting foam and mold it and set her back under the dryer. So yes, guys, I have pink hot combs that will be on galaxygirlhair.com very, very soon. All right, so right now I'm testing the tool so I can make sure it's hot enough and good enough for you guys, because listen, y'all deserve the best, okay? So I'm so excited about these hot combs, y'all. Y'all don't even know. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned so you can be updated on the release dates. So as I'm styling these baby hairs, I'm realizing that I really like the fact that I molded them before I styled them, because it's really easy. And the fact that I used a hot comb on them is giving them a whole different look. Like, it's making them look wispy and just really nice and different from my normal style baby hair. All right, so this is another technique that I've learned, is curling the baby hair before I mold them, with the setting foam or the gel. And it actually helps it create a nice little curl at the end, a lot more easier. Because sometimes I realize, like, when I try to create that curl with the sideburn, it doesn't curl right. So using a little flat iron to curl it before you even, do the molding, that's genius. All right, so we're just taking our flyaway tamer and applying it across the top, comb it through, and now we're gonna pull out this hot comb, guys, so we can see what it really can do. Man, this hairline looks amazing. Like, oh my gosh. All right, so now let's get into this style. All right, I'm doing a middle part, and as you can see, I seem to always bleach the knots a little bit too far down on the roots. So I'm going to pluck the hairline and then take some black temporary dye and just fill it in. And I've had some people ask me questions about this process. No, I don't wash it out. I just don't add a lot of dye so it doesn't like seep through the wig or, get on her hair or nothing like that. I just lightly paint it on there and I just dry it on there for real. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit more of our flyaway tamer around the part this time so we can make the top flat with the hot comb. So along with the water, I'm using Cantu leave-in conditioner just to keep the curls looking nice and moisturized. Sometimes when you only use water or setting foam, it can look nice and moisturized at first, but then it dries out. So I would recommend using a hair lotion for curly hair. Man, listen, at this point, I think I'm literally obsessed with this hairline. Like, this might be one of the best, y'all. So this is the final result. Thank you so much, Mslynn, for sponsoring this video with this 24-inch deep wave lace front wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. If you want a chance to view my hair videos hours before everyone else, make sure you join the channel and stay tuned for the release of the pink hot combs. See y'all later.